is also not good. You can get money and you will spoil your like respect and image also. And on the other hand, you will get less money and you will make good identity and you will get more respect from people. It's totally up to you which type of content you are going to watch and how much that content will help you in your future. So you must have this feeling or this thought in your mind.
Awesome job. You are helping a lot of people, a lot of learners with your English tricks. That's amazing. They should come to your videos. Even I want that everybody should come to your videos and they should improve their spoken English through your tips and tricks. That's wonderful.
There are two types of people. One, those who are only watching. Second one, those who are doing, creating content. So which type of person you really want to be? So it's totally up to you. So if I talk about myself, previously I used to watch only. I used to listen, I used to watch, I used to have fun. But now I am crazy about creating my own content, making my own good identity.
Hi, Mansi. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. Okay, so it's very nice to see you all happy and fresh. So we will begin. Mansi, good. All right. So Mansi, I want to ask you one question today. What do you think about social media? Is social media making us smarter or is it making us dumb?
It depends person to person.
Okay.
If we know what we really want to do, what we really want to achieve in life, nothing will like bother us. Nothing will spoil our mind and our goal or anything. So if we have any goal, then nothing will like distract our mind if we have any goal. And if we don't have any goal, then yeah, we don't have goals, so we will watch anything, we will go anywhere, we will spend time anywhere, we will scroll reel, we will watch anything unnecessarily. So it's better to have goal in life, then social media will help you to reach your goal. So I think so we must have goal in life, then social media and any platform will help you to go reach to that goal.
Yes, I think that's a wonderful thought. So, since our topic of discussion is if social media is making us smarter or is it making us dumber, so yes, you're right. I think if we have a goal, so nothing can stop us from achieving that goal, right? So, it's not a distraction for us. It would be a helping tool rather
Yes.
us learning that particular thing or achieving that particular goal. So yeah, you're right. I mean, there are so many platforms, free learning platforms, right? You learn a lot from YouTube. I think everybody learns a lot from YouTube, whatever they're interested in.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think you can learn how to make a meme and you can also learn how to code. So it's on you what your plan is, what your thought is, whatever you want to do. That's true. That's actually correct.
Have you ever felt that the social media is spoiling your life? Have you ever thought that?
Definitely, yes. Why? Because I get really distracted through all of this content and I keep doom scrolling throughout my day at times. And that I feel is really not correct. But I'm planning to use my time wisely, and I really want to put my time and effort into the things that will make a change, that will help me. For example, scrolling through social media, scrolling through these Instagram reels would mean nothing to me after 10 years, right? So I am slowly trying to shift my mindset, trying to shift the things I do. But yes, I am a victim. I would say that I do not have control, and I keep scrolling through social media. Yes, and there were times that I used to uninstall such apps, especially Instagram, because they used to take up a lot of my time. So yeah, what about you?
Yeah, still I have this habit. Sometimes whenever I don't have something to do, at that time I just pick up my phone and start scrolling reels and
Yeah.
I don't have to scroll that. but still I'm unnecessarily doing this, you know.
Exactly.
Yeah, unnecessarily I'm doing this. And after like 1 hour and 1.5 hour, I realized that Mansi, what you are doing here. So then I stopped doing that.
Yeah, that's true. But yes, as we were saying that it is making us smarter in a lot of ways as well. That we it's like a free learning platform. We learn a lot, and most importantly, so you get real time updates of the global news and cultures, right? So you
Yes.
get to know about other cultures. You get to know about the
Hmm.
global news. So that is one. And there are a lot of productivity tips, right? Learning hacks as
Yes.
well that you
Yes.
see in all those.
Previously, when we did not have phone at that time, we were not so aware about anything that there is something like that, there is something like that. And nowadays, everybody has phone, and we are using so many platform where we can see what is running in our society, what is running in our country also, so we can get updated quickly and easily. So it's very good thing about social media. And if I talk about myself, so previously when I did not have any goal in my life, like after getting married, I like stopped doing everything. At that time, I used to think like there is no need to do anything in my life. I can have anything, whatever I want to have, like through my husband money. So I used to think like that, and slowly and gradually, I started thinking about me, like what you are, why you are here. You should also do something for yourself. You should make your identity again. Then I started like following me, what I actually want. And then I got like so many like voice from my inner soul that Mansi, you can do this, you can do this. Then I started following those things on social media also. And through watching those things, that could help me a lot to like get my goal, to reach my aim.
Wonderful. That's great. And I'm so glad you listened to your inner voice and you did a lot of work on yourself. That's amazing. Tremendous work. All
Thank you.
all right. So one or being a communication coach myself, I am sure that we have a lot to learn through these social media platforms. Even we have a lot of English content as well, right? So
Yeah.
especially as I say that if you want to speak better English, you have to listen to more and more English. Social media could be one of those things. Could be one of the tools that you could use, right? So you can listen to a lot of podcasts, for example, on YouTube,
Yes.
so that definitely works for our favor. All right. What about you, Mansi? Have you learned something valuable through social media?
Previously, I did not have control on my emotions. So previously, I used to get angry easily. I used to like cry easily in front of anybody. And through watching social media, and I follow some content like blogging channels also, and so many motivational speakers, politicians, social workers. So I learned many things from them, like how to control your emotions, how to control your, especially eager. If you have control over your emotions, then you can walk anywhere with anybody, under anyone. So this is very good things which everybody should learn from anybody. We can learn from anybody, but first we need to think about that. Like, do you actually want to learn or not? Then we can learn anything from anybody.
That is correct. So we
So I
should
also
have
learned
that
it.
open mindset first, right? That
Hmm.
we want to learn. So, and
Yes.
so that's a very good thought that you have. And also, so this is a way to remain young, right? When you keep learning new things, you remain a student all
Mhm.
your life, and that would never make you feel old, right? So
Yes.
that's
Mhm.
definitely correct. But so there, not everyone agrees that social media is making us smarter. Most of the
Mhm.
people, I would say, would focus on the latter part, that it is making us dumber. So,
Yeah.
some people say that social media is hurting our attention span because we are wasting a lot of time, and it's just a waste of time. And people don't have the same attention span that they used to have earlier. So, what are your views about it?
Yeah, if I talk about the people, those who say like social media is nothing, you are spoiling your time, spoiling your life, spoiling everything. Those who don't have any goal in their life, and those who are like narrow minded, and those like those who think like, if we watch social media, if we do something over there, so we can learn unnecessarily many things which are not required in life. So they think the same, still they are thinking the same. But once you like first you need to make them understand that why you are using phone. If you have phone, they think like you are watching like unnecessary thing. So first you need to make them understand that what is your aim and why you are using phone, and which thing you are watching, you are learning from that. So then they will not say anything about it, and you can freely take your time. You can learn anything, you can do anything, you can make your identity over there, you can like start your business over there, you can do anything whatever you want. So this is the opportunity where we can do many things in life. And if you want to learn anything, there is no need to spend a single pie. Like you can have data in your phone, then you can learn anything whatever you want. There is no need to go out, so you can learn at your home.
That's true. You can learn at the comfort of your own home. You don't have to
Mhm.
travel to anywhere. So there are a lot of things that it is helping us with. But we, as you know, as Gen Z, I can say that
Okay.
a lot of people from my generation are scrolling mindlessly, at
Yeah.
times including me as well. That creates a sort of addiction that you have to be
Hmm.
constantly on your phone, constantly updated through
I
social.
told you na, that we don't have control
Right.
what we are doing. We don't know.
Hmm.
That's why.
Correct, correct. And as I was mentioning earlier, that there's less attention span. That is because of the short form content, right? So we are not focused. So we're not focused on it. And if there's a long video, I see myself scrolling through it at times. Yeah, so
Mm.
it's a short reel. I'll watch it because my
Yeah.
attention span and focus is very limited now.
Mm-hmm.
So also you must have noticed that social media platforms are like echo chambers. So we only see the content that we are interested in, that
Yeah.
we agree with. Yeah. So you
Mhm.
will always find the same content through and through. So, so there are a lot of such aspects to social media as well, including the positive ones. But what about you? Do you think it's harder to focus because of constant scrolling?
Yeah. We don't have patience also. We become patience-less. And most of the time, what we see, like if we are getting something like useful, we take a screenshot and we save it in our phone. I will check it after some time. I will check it later on. So it's not a good habit, but we all are doing the same. We just take a screenshot and keep it in our phone. So it's not a good thing. Whatever you want to do, do it at the same time, because you never know what will happen in like next. What will happen next? So it's better to check it out, read it out, and watch it out. Whatever you are getting related to your field, related to your aim, related to your goal. So sometimes I also do the same. That's why I'm telling you.
Perfect. Yes, you're correct. And definitely it has made us impatient. We have lack of focus, lack of attention span. But I think concluding our discussion, we can rightly say that social media probably is not good. It's probably not bad either. It just
Yeah.
depends on how we use it, right?
Yes.
What we make out of it.
Mhm.
Definitely. And
Yeah.
let me.
Everybody, like there are two types of people. One, those who are only watching. Second one, those who are doing, creating content. So which type of person you really want to be? So it's totally up to you. So if I talk about myself, previously I used to watch only. I used to listen, I used to watch, I used to have fun. But now I am crazy about creating my own content, making my own good identity. There are many types of identity also, like some of them, they know your face, but they will not love to talk to you if you are in front of them. But on the other hand, if you are the personality, those are like creating the content which is really helpful for others, so people will love to talk to you, will love to take selfie with you. So there are many type of like identity on social media.
That's correct, right? So You're correct. So you are now a more mindful user of social media, right? You are now creating the content that you want people to see. So may I know what kind of content you're creating on social media?
I just actually I create content related to English only.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
one.
on Facebook and on YouTube and on Instagram also.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
We are
On,
helping a lot of people out. I see that
yeah.
if they are scrolling through social media, they should come to your videos. Even I want that everybody should come to your videos and they should
Yes.
improve their spoken English through your tips and tricks. That's wonderful. So, even concluding this session, even I would say that our mindful usage of social media is the most important, rather than us thinking that it is right, it is wrong, oh, I'm wasting a lot of time because of social media. So it's not an excuse, right? So we shouldn't be like, oh, it's not my fault, it's social media. So it is our thought of how we want to use it. So
And it is really up to you what you want to see, what you want to watch on social media, because you will find everything over there,
mm,
cheap and good, both of the content you will get over there. So it's totally up to you which type of content you are going to watch and
ab-
how much that content will help you in your future. So you
ab-
must have this feeling or this thought in your mind before going on social media. Then we can get anything from there.
Yes, I hope you also promote this thought through your content. You should also help people with the same, that how social media is a very powerful tool
You
and
know,
how they can use it. Correct.
yeah, people know the value of social media, but the problem is we all are running behind the money.
Mm.
And for this reason, they don't care about their content, which type of content they are making, they are creating. They just want to make money. So their motive is to make money, to be a rich person, and to buy luxury things for
Mm.
their home, for their life, and that's why they are making anything. They are just getting views, they are getting money from that. So because of money, na, they are not taking care of them. They are not caring about their family, about their identity, also. They are just running behind the money. So this is also not good. You can get money and you will spoil your like respect and image also. And on the other hand, you will get less money and you will make good identity and you will get more respect from people. So it's
Abs-
also up to you which type of content you want to create on social media,
abs-
right?
So as a content creator, I think it should be our job to spread the right message.
Right things, right message.
Doing an awesome job. You are helping a lot of people, a lot of learners with your English tricks. That's amazing. So it was lovely talking to you, Mansi. I'll
Thank you, Renuka.
it was amazing.
Raunak, your name is Raunak, right? Okay.
All right.
I think you're newly bagged, right?
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I was
Congratulations for
directly.
your
Thank you. Thank
new wedding.
you. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.
Bye, Mansi. You too.
Bye.